Hello my Dotty family and welcome to part 3 of this series. If you're just joining and you would like to see part number 1, you can get it up here. And if you are new to my channel and a beginner, please go and check out the fundamentals first here and then just do a couple of beginners patterns first. Okay, next up we are going to give our little bugs some tentacles. I'm going to take my black and then the all ball side of the green tool, so the smaller side, and then I'm going to dip it, and from the outside I'm gonna just drag tentacle inward, so just one on each side like that. So just from out front, just so that they look like little tentacles. Don't have much space there, but so I'm trying to, if I don't have enough space, then I'm just basically putting it to the front instead of more on the side. Just see how your spacing works out. No, my bug. Oh, what happened? What happened? I wonder if it was one of my kitty cats while I was gone. Must be. Oh, man, I'm gonna have to fix that one. Oh no. I don't know. I don't know. This piece I've got like a lot of accidents and I don't know why. But you know what? I am going to get there. Just some pieces are like that, I found. Some of them it's like smooth sailing, and then for other ones it's just a little bit more of an uphill to get through. But that's okay. I just need to clean up that red on my petals. Maybe it's a good thing because then I can give you guys tips as these little accidents happen. Maybe they happen to you at home as well. Let me know in the comment section below if you're also having a hard time. Anyway, so I'm just going to use blue. So I'm using the all ball side of my tool just to kind of fix that up a little bit. So I'm just going to do that. So just adjust it with the same color. And then the same with the white. Sometimes the struggle is real, but that's okay. I'm not gonna let it get me down. Okay, what I want to do next is I want to do a green layer around the flowers. So with your 3mm tool and color number 3, which is my green, I'm going to, from the bottom up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do 7 dots on each side. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like so. And then I'm going to do that with all of them. Then I'm going to take the all ball side of my tool, and in the same color I'm going to do 3 dots at the top just to close that circle off. Then what I want to do is I'm going to take the smallest tool I have, so the yellow one, the small side, and then with white I'm going to give the ladybird heads, they've got these little white stains above their eyes, and I'm just going to do a white stain, 2 white stains on each one. This one looks a little bit smaller than the other one. I'll try and get them as equal as I can so they can look like little eyes. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to double dot my little ladybug humps, because I want them to stand up so that they look like little ladybugs. So again with the 10mm tool, only do this once your ladybug is dry, so you can do a top dot on top. But I'm going to quickly blow dry this. Okay, so it's not completely dry, but it's drier so that I don't smudge it as badly if I do. Then we're going to do some top dots. I'm going to do that with my 6mm tool and color number 1, which is white. Alright, so that's going here. Then we're going to take our 4mm tool and we're going to do top dots in color number 3, which is green, here. Then with our 3mm, we're going to top dot here, and that's going to be in color number 4, which is blue. Then I'm going to take the all ball side of any tool, and in color number 1, which is white, I'm going to top dot those ones here. And that we're going to do in color number 4, which is the green. And I've got my 3mm tool here. So going to do just those 2 ones, and we'll do the inside ones with a different tool. So just the outside ones for now. Then with our walk the dog tool, we're going to just walk it twice, so same color, and we're just going to go 1, 2, dip it again, and then just go 1. Okay, 1, 2, 1. Then with the same tool, we're going to top dot these ones in color number 1, which is white. So just 1 dot with the big ball tool side. Then I'm going to use the all ball side and color number 5 actually, which is the blue. And I'm going to dip it, and I'm going to do the swooping thing on all of these swoops on the outside. Swoop. Swoop. I'm just going to blow my ladybugs some more because I want to work on them next. So just to make sure that it's dry enough for me to work on. Then what we want to do is we want to create a division between the two wings of our little ladybugs. So with black and using the smallest tool we've got, so yeah, the yellow one in my case, the small side, I'm going to dip that in black, and then where the ladybug is supposed to be divided into two, from the back I'm just going to do a small swoop. Just like that. You just want a little stripe so that you can see where the wings are divided, like that. You can use, of course, your lines as an indicator of exactly where that little swoop should go. Now we want to add the top dots. That we're going to do using, so in my case it's the white tool, okay, which is the middle one, because it's not the blue one. Yeah, so the middle size ball tool. And again, we're going to stick that in black. Now the ladybug has got 3 big dots and 2 smaller ones. So the first big dot goes right here on the shell, just below the eyes. Okay. So on the shell, just below the eyes. The next 2 big dots are based on the center of the round dot, one on each side. So one there and then one on the other side, like so. So basically where the wings would divide, in the center, just one on each side. So you want to do this softly because you don't want to burst the bubble. It might still be a little bit wet if you haven't left it overnight. So that's it for the big ones. And for the smaller dots, we're going to be using the all ball sides. You can just flip your tool around. And then we have 4 of those, and they are placed here. So 2 on the front, a little bit wider than the middle dots, so closer to the edge of the shell, and then the same thing on the back, so closer to the edge of the shell in the middle, like that. So close to the edge on the front here. And then 2 at the back. How cute! I'm loving them, they're so cute. And that completes our piece. Let me know if you like this video, if you'd like to see more of it. Just give me a thumbs up. To seal your work, I'm going to put a link up right here. You can go and watch that video. If you did all of this in one day, then you qualify as a crazy fan. which I'm going to call a cray cray. In the comments below, just say, I'm a cray cray fan. I'd like to see who all the crazy people out there are. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'll see you guys again next time. Stay dotty, stay magical, keep well. Bye-bye.